Hello everyone, today we are going to see about what is capacitive touch sensor and how to make a switch out of it. Capacitive touch sensor, normal sensor எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா it consists of two parallel conducting plates separated by an insulating material. So these plates acts as a capacitor and stores some energy. The initial value of the capacitance is C0. When we touch the sensor, our finger acts as a conducting material. So there will be an increase in capacitance. When the sensor detects the change in capacitance of C0, it generates some signal. By using the signal, we are going to do a switch.